Example 3, one section of the roof of the building is in the shape of a square pyramid. Once I see the word pyramid, I start looking at my pyramid formulas we saw from Friday. Volume is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. The total surface area is the area of the base plus half the perimeter of the base times the slant height. Lateral surface area is 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. So the same formulas we used on Friday. The side length of the square, so square pyramid with a side length of 28 feet and a slant height of 13.25 feet. So what they're telling me is we have some square base here, so let's just kind of pretend we have a square base like so. And the pyramid comes up to a point like so, so we're going to have this and this. And the side length of the square is 28 feet. The slant height, if you recall from Friday, is the distance from the tip of the pyramid down to the midpoint of one of the sides. So the slant height is 13.25 feet. And that is a 14-foot section there, and this is a 14-foot section here. Heat reflecting paint with a spreading rate of 150 square feet per gallon is to be applied to this section. How many gallons are needed to apply 2 coats of paint? Well, if we're painting the roof, a heat reflecting paint, I would assume we're just applying paint at the top of the roof, not the base, right? If we're painting a house roof, we're not painting underneath the roof on the bottom, right? So basically what we're looking at here is lateral surface area. It says 150 square feet per gallon to be applied. So this is the area of roof that can be covered for every gallon of paint. And as with most of these material problems, how much material you need, you can't get a part of a gallon. All right, we're gonna round up. If we get 6.1 gallons, that's 7 gallons, you know, and usually you want extra paint anyway, so if you have to touch up later, it doesn't hurt to have a little extra paint. So what I want to do here is I want to find the lateral surface area of this, and the lateral surface area requires a perimeter of the base and a slant height, which should give me those dimensions, right? They gave me it's a square pyramid, so 28 feet by 28 feet. All 4 sides are 28 feet of the square. The slant height is 13.25 feet. So if I figure out the perimeter is going to be 4 times 28, which is 112 feet. You could also do 28 plus 28 plus 28 plus 28. Take your pick. All right, the slant height is 13.25 feet. And if I use the lateral surface area formula, the lateral surface area of this roof is going to be 1/2 times 112 times 13.25. We have our calculator, 0.5, also known as a half, times 112 times 13.25. I could also type in 1 divided by 2, that's also a half, times 112 times 13.25. You know, half is 0.5, I usually go with 0.5. So 742 square feet is the area of this roof, lateral surface area. We want to apply 2 coats of paint, so we need to cover that amount of space twice. So this is 742 square feet per coat, and we want 2 coats. So coat cancels coat, so 742 times 2 is 1,484 square feet of surface needs to be covered. And every gallon covers 150 square feet, so 1 gallon, 150 square feet. Square feet matches square feet, so 1,484 divided by 150 comes out to 9.893 repeating. Gallons of paint are required. Again, you can't buy 0.893 repeating gallons of paint, so how much paint would be needed? We need 10 gallons of paint. So that would successfully cover the roof with 2 coats of paint.